Hello, welcome. Today I have a little bit of a different review video for you. This is for a fountain pen case. If you have a lot of pens or if you just want a safe place to store your pens, this might be a good option for you. This holds 12 pens, and I don't remember what it's called on Amazon, but this is by the Shenzhen Magic Hammer Leather Goods. I don't know. Like I said, I will put a link to this down below so that you don't have to find it by the name, because I don't remember the name. So I really like these cases. I already have more than one because of how nice they are. So this is how it comes. It comes wrapped in this, I guess, plastic here. Let me get that out of the way. All right. There we go. Open. And they come in different colors as well. So this is the darker brown. There is a lighter tan color. There's a red and a blue and I think a black one. And this is how they look. You can see they actually look really nice. And then this flap opens and there's magnets in here so that it stays closed even when it's turned upside down. So this stays closed, which is nice. And then in here, I apologize for bumping the camera. It has a tray where all the pens fit in the slots. And this tray is dyed to match the box. So depending on what your color box you get, the insert will match it. And this is really nice because you can slide it out. And you can, if you have like loose paper, you can stick it behind there. But this is what the tray looks like. The pens go in here, and then you can slide it back into the case. And I have a few pens here. I'm going to show you how well they fit different size pens. So this is a Ferris wheel press carousel pen. It's one of the plastic ones. And they're a relatively small pen, but it fits in there just fine. And then I have a Platinum Preppy. And that also fits fine. And let's see what else. This is a Jinhao. And the X450. So if you have one of these, you'll know roughly how big that is. That fits with no problem. And then I've got a, let's see here. This is my TWSBI. And that fits also no problem. And these dividers are a little bit flexible. So if you have an oversized pen, like this one, another Jinhao pen, this thing is enormous. This is the 9019. It also fits, but you can see it pushes the sides out a little. But that's not a problem if the pen you're putting next to it on the other side is a little bit smaller. It'll still, so everything still fits. And let's see. Oh, I know what we can put in there. This little teeny tiny pen. This also fits in there, no problem, but it almost disappears in there. So it's nice that the tray slides out so then you can see all the pens. So these are relatively inexpensive, and especially for what it is. And one of the reasons I like it, and I'll show you here, I've got the blue one also. Here's the blue one, is that they stack neatly. And because they're firm, they're not soft, I don't have to worry about the weight of stacking these, crushing the pens or anything like that. It's a nice firm box that they're sitting in. And you can get them all to match, or you can use different colors. And I chose different colors because this way I can put certain pens in each box and I remember which one, oh, that pen's in the blue box or that pen's in the brown box or whatever. So whichever method works for you, but I really like these. Also, they're a little bit safer, I think, for travel because, again, you don't have to worry about your pen getting crushed. And it does hold 12 pens. So it holds quite a bit. So I'd found these and I've been thinking about doing a review to show you guys. So again, here's the blue. It has the inside of this one is blue as well, as so it matches and it looks nice. So anyway, I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions, leave comments down below and I'd be happy to answer any questions for you. If there's anything else you'd like to see me review, let me know. If I have it or if I can get it, then I'll do a review for you. And I will have a link for these down below. It is an Amazon affiliate link, so it does help me out, but it doesn't cost you anything extra if you choose to use it. And thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.